Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's very, very simple. Don't allow this long equation to make you look scary. All right, this is not scary. It's very simple. Just know this. So in this video, I'll teach you how to solve this logarithm expression. Very, very easy. And I mean very, very easy. We are going to use 3 to 4 laws to solve it. Now, the first law we are going to use is the reciprocal law of logarithm. A of B. Now we say that if we have this equals this. What does this state? This is the reciprocal law. It states that when the log appears as a fraction, the log and the base interchange their position. So clearly you can see that the log and the base has interchanged their position. All right, let's go. Let's apply that here. So the log and the base will interchange their position. From here we have log AB of ABCD plus log BC of ABCD plus log CD log CD of ABCD, the interchange become log CD base ABCD plus this one log DA base ABCD. All right. So to solve this, clearly we are going to use the second rule, the second one. Now if we have log A plus log B, this equals log A of B. All right. So the law states that when we are adding and the two bases are the same, we take one of the base and multiply the two logs together. So from here, what do we do? Let's multiply the two logs together because the bases here, this, they are all the same. So we take one of the base log A, B, C, D of, we multiply the logs AB times BC times CD times CD times CD, oh BC, let's see, times AB times BC times CD times DA. All right. So this implies that, right, let me take it up so space you can see clearly. All right, from here, how do we solve this? This implies that we can say this is log base A, B, C, D of A times A gives us A squared. B times B gives us B squared. C times C gives us C squared. And D times D gives us D squared. So from here, this implies that we can take it as power. A, B, C, D all squared from the laws of indices. So from here, this implies that this law, the law says that when the log is raised to a power, this is the third law. When the log is raised to a power, the power is used to multiply the log itself. So it becomes a multiplier. So this 2 is coming backward. So this is just, from here we have log A, B, C, D all squared base A, B, C, D. So this 2 here is coming backward. And this implies that this is 2 log A, B, C, D A, B, C, D base A, B, C, D. All right, so clearly we are going to use another law. That's if we have log A base A equals 1. So what does the law state? The law states that if the log and the base are the same, the result is 1. So clearly the log and the base are the same, and the whole of this expression equals what? 1. So clearly we have 2 times 1, and which equals 2. And this is the right proof for this logarithm expression. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting problems like this. And remember, mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. See you in the next video. And there are more videos for you to watch there.